Welcome back to the Gadget Light channel. Today we brought you a review of the most cheapest chimney available on the Amazon. The pricing was possible due to Amazon Great Indian Festival. You get Inalsa chimney at around 4650 for limited time only, while its original box price is rupees 15990. That makes it 11,000 cheaper. I'm sorry I couldn't make the unboxing video, but we'll tell you everything about it. After you buy the Inalsa chimney, Amazon will call you first for installation process. But I ended up calling Inalsa first for the installation. The installation process was easy and simple, and it was good until he broke my wall. Anyway, let me guide you with the installation process and with the things that you have to be careful with while installing this chimney. Let me tell you why I have chosen this chimney. There are three factors. One, it's budget friendly cost. Second is 1050 cubic meter per hour motor, and third is BFF filter, basically which is stainless steel filter. If you compare it with high end models like Faber, which is 1200 cubic meter per hour, but cost you fortune. Remember, I'm not talking about the features like touch control or auto clean. While if you want to shop around at this price range, you get like 800 cubic meter per hour motors. So in that case, Inalsa is the best and only choice at this range. Let's see what you get inside the box. You get a 60 centimeter Inalsa chimney along with duct cover, and you also get duct pipe. Remember, duct pipe doesn't comes with every chimney, and it should your installation charges very high because it can cost you around like 1000 rupees more. So I have saved some money on installation charges, as I was charged rupees 500 for installation and extra 200 for the duct pipe cap. So total I have been charged around rupees 700. You can also buy this cap from Amazon as low as rupees 135. We'll give you the link in the description box. These are some example and things that makes the installation experience very bad and can incur extra money. Let's move to the chimney. The chimney works flawlessly and comes with great suction power. The motor comes with 5 years of warranty, which can be further expandable up to 2 years. It also comes with 3-watt LED light. I just wish it wouldn't be bluish as it looks. There are 5 buttons given. 3 are basically for controlling fan speed, and 1 is to power off the fan. Another one is to power on and off the LED light. The filter are easy to disassemble with just one click and is really easy to wash also. I'll give you the link of Mr. Singh Kitchen in the description box, where you can see how to clean the chimney filter without even touching it much. I haven't opened it up fully then because it's still taped, although I will definitely show you personally when I clean its filter for the first time. Let's see how much noise does this machine make. Like you have seen that the noise level is pretty much on the higher side. It won't be a pleasant experience when it comes to the noise. Although I've seen Whirlpool and Elica chimney making same noise as this, but if you want a silent experience in your kitchen with the chimney, then this isn't the right choice. Now let's see some example of its power suction. As you can see, the suction is pretty good on second and third level, while first is always remain for light suction. So there is no problem in suction power. Let's see some few more examples. Now let's come to verdict. If you prefer budget-friendly, less maintenance, good performance, value for money chimney, then Inalsa chimney is a right choice. But if you want a peaceful experience, then my advice will be stay away from it, as it generates high level of noise, which is the only con I have found it till now. You can get this chimney in Amazon for less than 5000 rupees from the link given below. But remember, it's for limited time only. So if you like this video, do subscribe us and hit a like button.